I got pulled over. Hey y'all, it's the Tactical Hippie back again. I just wanted to say thanks for watching the channel. I am down here in beautiful Kremlin, Colorado. I came down here to test out the Glock 43x now that I've reverted back to the stock magazine catch and the stock magazines. As you know, I did a part 1, if you haven't seen that, about Shield mags, 15 round mags for the Glock 43x. Check that up below. It's a great video. I reached out to Shield Arms about sending me some test and try magazines, but they didn't. So instead of go out and spending more money on more Shield Arms magazines to test another batch of them, I reverted back to the magazine catch and back to the stock magazines. I figure if I can't get the job done with 10 plus 1, then you know, 15 plus 1 is really not going to be that much better. And frankly, I've been at this long enough to know that it doesn't have to be that 15. Originally, I got the Glock 43x and I thought, oh, well, I got to get this. It's got to hold 15 to make it worth it. I disagree with that at this point. The way this thing feels in your hand, it's really slim and nice. I like it regardless of whether or not it has 15 or 10. And so basically, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm out here, I've reverted back to the stock stuff, and we're gonna see if that was all the problem. Another gentleman in a comment mentioned that it could also, I was having some issues with jams. I was also having an issue where the slide would lock open before the magazine was empty. That happened a few times. More than one person jammed it, more than one person had it lock open on them. So I don't think it's limp wristing, but it's certainly possible that that was the entire issue. We'll see. I think if this thing runs perfectly, then we'll know that it was the Shield Arms magazines that were really causing the problem. Again, thanks again for watching. YouTube doesn't always monetize this video, so make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about the Shield Arms magazines and how they've treated you. And if you want to support further, check out the description and the link below. Thanks again for watching. Let's get into this. We're just going to take some shots. This is a simple video. Take some shots of me shooting this, shoot off a couple boxes of ammo, and see how she runs. Thanks again for watching.
Radar about to be jammed.
Oh, jammy jam. Failure to extract. Clear. Same thing. Failure to extract. These magazines have basically never been used. Same thing. Failure to extract. Okay, so this time I tapped them down. Maybe it has something to do with the way they're being loaded in. And we're gonna try again. Two mags. a little bit better. Each one had one malfunction on the way through. Maybe they're just getting broken in. I'm gonna keep on going, see how she rolls. Okay, so the news is I'm getting failure to extract. After going back to the stock magazines and the stock magazine catch, I don't have any other mods except for it's a slightly extended slide release. That's the only other mod. Somebody told me that the screws may be too long for my optic.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
So I suppose that's the next step. I'm kind of a dummy. I didn't bring my tools with me. The magazines are really tight. And I did clean this since the last time I took it out, that I was having troubles with Steve. So interesting development here. I'm actually having more troubles with the stock internals, I should say stock magazine and stock magazine release. So yeah, that's kind of what's happening here. I'm just gonna try a few more shots and see if she starts running a little bit better. I don't know, the stock Glock magazines seem pretty tight, so maybe it has something to do with that. Nevertheless, we'll shoot some more and see how it goes. Well, okay, so what have we figured out? We have figured out that I am gonna have to get a new carry gun. This is basically the first time I'm using these magazines that are Glock made, but it's not extracting and I don't know what to do about it. So time to move on to something different. Maybe something similar in size, maybe like a Springfield Hellcat, see how that goes. I think that's probably similar in size. Maybe a Ruger Max 9. I've had good luck with my other Ruger. So yeah, I guess I'm getting off the Glock 43x as my carry gun. I feel so disappointed. Tell you what, I got one more mag. Let's see what happens. I got one more mag. Let's just finish out this mag and load up and go home. All right, that's it. Stuck in there, won't extract. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Man, I'm coming off of this video with a lot of disappointment. Not only did I get pulled over, get a ticket, but I also have a Glock handgun that's given me a lot of troubles. And I don't know if I put the extractor back in wrong or put the pieces back in together incorrectly or something, and that's why I'm getting so much trouble, or if the steel magazine wore something out on the inside there and it's giving me issues. You know, maybe the extractor got bent a little. I don't know what's going on. I'd like to possibly take it down to a gunsmith, see if they can tell me what's going wrong, because for me it's hard to believe that a Glock has given me this many issues. And I think it's worth it because it's been such a big investment as far as it's concerned. The handgun itself is pretty expensive. Plus I've got that, you know, 507K or 508K or whatever it is on there. 507K. 506. I don't know. It's the smallest one. But yeah, anyway, so I'm a bit disappointed. I'm leaving out of this video thinking that I might end up replacing my carry a gun with something different. But thanks you guys again for watching, and I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.